everybody, welcome to our second cooking session. And Lauren's not here yet because we came to my apartment and she realized she doesn't have a mic, which we need for the podcast recording, so she just quickly ran home. And I'm just starting up potatoes, and it should be really easy. It should be really just potatoes on a pan made with sauce from butter, paprika, garlic, and then I can't remember the names in English now, and then parsley, and that's basically it. And then just potatoes over the cheese and stuff. So we're gonna do that. Hopefully we don't mess it up this time, and I'll check in back later when Lauren comes here. Okay, now we're gonna chop up some parsley. This is back. Back again. I'm grinding the potatoes are prepared. We have garlic, this thing is parsley, and now we're gonna prepare the sauce. The review taste test. 2, 3. What? Okay, we ate lunch. We're happy again. At least for
I forgot the. Do you remember how we're supposed to rate it?
Well, I would start by saying that it was good. Like taste-wise, it was good. But maybe it wasn't worth all this stuff. Like, it wasn't difficult.
It wasn't anything special.
Yeah.
At the end of the day.
Yeah. But it was good.
Potatoes, they tasted good.
And we didn't mess it up.
Yes.
Which is a good point.
What we think.
And we used the raclette cheese, right? That you brought?
Yes.
Which was really good.
That's true. We changed it up a bit and we put raclette cheese over it instead of parmesan or whatever.
Yeah. And it's just, like you say, you can use whatever you want, whatever you have.
Yeah, that's a good thing about this recipe. You can literally choose whatever you have to use, you can just throw it in there and it'll probably taste good.
Exactly.
Yeah.
If you want maybe some recipe for more special potatoes or something,
yeah.
If we have a ton at home and can use it, like me, then we recommend. Okay, so we did time. If it's like worth according to time. I do maybe 8. Because it wasn't, like, when you were gone, I just chopped up the parsley, I prepared the garlic, the spring onion, whatever it's called. And, like, it's nothing that crazy difficult, but, like,
it's also
takes
not
time.
a super fast meal that you can... Yeah.
Exactly.
I agree, 7, 8.
Okay. Then we did taste.
And
then overall, I think, right?
Yeah.
I can't remember.
Or complexity, like, in terms of ingredients. Complexity, I would say...
2.
It's really not. And again, if you're missing something, you can just put something else in it instead.
Exactly. And overall, I'd say maybe 7 because it was good, but it wasn't anything special. It wasn't anything difficult to do, but at the same time, it does take time, even though not too much.
Yeah.
So
I agree. I would also do 7.
Okay, bye. See you next week.